Right, all the glue's gone off. I've taken all the tape off. Now I'm going to sand up the body, and then I'm going to sand up the fretboard. I'm going to get that ready then for the frets. Right, I've sanded the body down, and I've taken most of the binding off. So now I got to use a curved sanding block, which I've got. I'll show you. There's the curved sanding block. That curve there is the same curve on there, so then I can sand that down without losing the shape. Right, as you can see, I've sanded the body down really nice and smooth, and I've also done the fingerboard, the fretboard, nice and smooth. This is now ready for the frets. Lovely. Right, I just thought I'd give it a dry fit. As you can see, there's some nice oak. There'll be some nice oak here with my initials in it with this abalone sheet. The frets are going to be gold. So the tuners are gold. Coming down here, the pickups are gold with a black surround. Then there's the bridge. And then there's the whammy bar. The knobs for the volume and tones will be a gold and black. And the switch here, the washer going round, is a gold and black. And later on, when I've got the truss rod cover, that'll be a gold and black item. I just thought you'd like to see, and I'm going to paint the back of the body black and the back of the neck black. This will be clear lacquer on here. I think it'll end up looking like a really nice guitar.